To another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Here we are looking at Bitcoin US dollar index on the 1 hour time frame. So I don't really know, I don't follow this kind of stuff, but from what I hear on other channels that I watch, there's a lot of money coming in on the side onto the exchanges. And I don't know if it's been deployed yet or what the deal is, but I think a lot of it is waiting on the sidelines to see if Bitcoin does dump down here to the top of the. This white line is the top of a very large ascending triangle that we broke through right here. So I think they're waiting to see if we break down here. I don't think that's happening. I think Bitcoin's just way too strong for anything like that to happen. We are trading within another ascending triangle, and we have tested and tested and tested and tested. The bottom of it we broke out of it and even came back down and retested it. And the bears have really, really been trying to make us dump down and haven't been able to get actually as far as we could get was just through an extension of this symmetrical triangle that we were trading in that has changed into a ascending triangle. And that's as far down as we could get. Now Bitcoin has broken back up into the ascending triangle, and I'll switch to a 5-minute time frame for now. That purple line is just a target. It's not meant to be in any particular time like right here at this time. Could be anywhere. But you can see the price action on the 5-minute time frame. We came down, faked out below this, but held this as support, holding these various lines as support, falling through and just testing these levels over and over again. Now on the 5-minute, here we're coming back down. Well, let's see what happens. I don't know how many times we can test these areas. Maybe that's just what we do all weekend, continue to go sideways and test these support levels. Let's go back to a 1 hour. I'm really thinking we're about to break up. If you look at it on the 1 hour time frame, we've been oscillating between, whether you want to call it this blue triangle marked by the lavender line, triangle, parallel channels or this larger red parallel channel. The red channel encompasses more of the extreme price action. So we've come back down. We're ready to shoot back up. Of course, we could oscillate here in the lower portion of the parallel channel, but I think we're ready to move back up. Let's see what the weekend brings. Typically, weekends bring more sideways action, but if you look at what happened last weekend, I'll put my cursor on the end of the day, Sunday. So we did see from towards the end of the day, Friday, we saw this move upwards. This is the price action from last weekend right here. So could we see something similar? Sure. Our next move is up here. I don't know if we're going to go sideways over the weekend or pump right here. Blast through here and really I'd like to see us get up above this blue channel, and I think that's what we could do. Possibly this as soon as this weekend, or maybe early next week. Get up above the blue channel, come back down and retest this at about 35,200, and then onwards and upwards from there. See, this is my cursor is on the beginning of the day, Monday. So could we do this over the weekend? I'm pretty sure we could. Possibly come up to the red line, hang around here, test these various areas back down here. The reason why, I mean, look at the total three. Whoops, I can't. God, I keep forgetting I can't. Total three is in the green for the day. So the altcoins are not dumping. The entire crypto market is strong, and the altcoins are just. You know what? Let's take a measurement. Currently, right here, the neckline of our head and shoulders pattern is less than 2% away. We're less than 2% away at about 37.4 and a half, and we're headed there. Once we break that neckline, we're going to see a huge pump through there. Maybe a retest of it, but, well, most probably a retest. But who knows? I mean, this is a huge move. Unless Gary comes out and whatever he says. There's our thick white head neckline right there, and we're just about there. Once we break through that, I mean, we've been below it for so long, since May of 2022, June. Once we break that, you're going to see a big move, and that's why the altcoins are not having a correction. They're continuing to pump. And I think that, Bitcoin, it's funny, Bitcoin will follow. Funny to say that. You know what? Let's go back. I'm sorry. Let's go back to where I was. Futures is trading at, only about $140 premium. Oh, wait, did it stop? Oh, you know what? It stopped trading. That's why. I'm sorry. I take that back. Futures has already stopped trading for the day. Pretty sure. Yeah, that's why. All right, but on a daily time frame, about 35,280. So Bitcoin could go all the way up to 35,000 this weekly without causing a gap in the futures. And like I said before, I don't think that's really important. It actually might drive a big surge upward as a lot of shorts get liquidated and bears and whoever. And it looks like Ethereum's doing pretty well too, with looking at total 2 here. What is Ethereum doing? Yeah, it's up 1.72. That's great. Let's look at what it's doing today. So see, the rest of the market is going to carry Bitcoin. I just don't see Bitcoin dumping right now. It's about to make a move. And once all that money on the sidelines realizes that we're not coming back down anywhere below our triangle that we've been consolidating in, realizes that we're not coming back down here, and they won't be able to suck up a bunch of coins. They're all going to be FOMOing in up here, and it's going to drive us upwards. So, another thing I want to mention, at the in the description you'll see a link to Alto IRA. You can open up a crypto Roth IRA there. I have one myself. I hear a lot of ads for iTrust Capital. I tried them. I had a problem KYCing with them. I don't know why. I KYC'd with a bunch of exchanges and I'm not trying to trick anybody. I use my California ID and our driver's license, and all the information I provided was actually me, but for some reason they came back with a real harsh letter, and I emailed them, did not get a response. I have no idea why I did not pass the KYC process for them. And so I just Googled crypto IRAs and found Alto IRA, which isn't pumped on every other YouTube channel. And I haven't had any problems with them. They've been great. They've responded. I haven't really had any issues that I needed to respond to, use any customer support with. Everything's been really, really easy with them, and they use Coinbase to trade on. My I can my assets go on there. It there is a little bit of a wait. You have to wait a couple days for the things to clear, your funds to clear. But other than that, I mean, that's understandable. Um, Other than that, I have no problems. You use a Coinbase platform to do your trading. You can use I'm pretty sure you can use I don't remember. Anyway, check them out. Links in the description. And I'm not getting paid for pumping them. I'm just really happy with them, and I'm sick and tired of hearing I Trust Capital and all these other ones. Go try out Alto IRA. All right, like, subscribe, and see you next time.